Well, hello loves. I wanted to pop in really quick and just tell you that the doors to the Mixed Media Insider membership are open. They're only open for a week. Then the next membership open door enrollment time will be in March. So if you're thinking about it, now's the time if it works for you during this period. So I just wanted to pop in and let you know that the doors are open and there is so much fun being had in the membership. We have techniques every month. We have weekly art, or not weekly, but monthly art challenges, monthly art journaling, monthly major, like big projects. There's workshops included with the memberships. There's free prints and collage elements and a quote library, and it's added to each month. Each month you get new and fresh stuff. There's just a lot of goodness and a lot of creativity happening in the membership. I'm just in love with our membership group and what's happening there, and so I just wanted to pop in and let you know that you can enroll now if it works for you. But I want to show you some of the fun that is being had in the membership.